How do expat employers compare global insurance companies? Cost. Yes, the price is often the most significant factor in deciding on which global health insurance program to put in place for an expat population. The cost will depend on many factors, such as the demographics of the employees, location, gender, age, and the industry. Insurer rating. We place our corporate clients with well-recognized and secure global insurance companies that we know will be there for the long term and have the resources and financial strength to weather the highs and lows of the market. Make sure you check the financial ratings of your global benefit plan provider. Medical network. This is a big factor in deciding which global medical provider your company should engage with. Expat employees prefer to be covered by an insurer that has a wide variety of medical doctors and hospitals that allow for automatic payment or reimbursement. Administration. Most global rewards managers prefer to work with an international group insurance provider that has excellent online administration. Such an administration system should allow for easy addition and subtraction of expat employees, along with welcome emails and insurer cards that are sent to the employees online and offline. Customer service. We have found that there is a wide range of service levels amongst global benefit plan providers in the market. Large global insurance companies such as Aetna or Cigna International often have the highest service levels for both the consultant broker and their clients. Employee communications. A global health plan for international employees should have a clearly defined and effective way to communicate with the expat population around the globe and work with them in multiple languages. Global benefit plan communications are important for providing clarity and ensuring policy. Holders understand coverage details, exclusions, and claim procedures. Coverage options. Having choices as a global HR manager for medical, evacuation, dental, and life insurance is key when deciding which insurer to choose. Better yet, if you have enough expat employees, you may be able to request a customized solution. Compliance. If your firm is sending expat employees to certain destination countries such as the UAE, Australia, DRC, or the USA, you will need to make sure your insurer has the ability to not only pay claims there, but be compliant for your employees and their visas. This has become more vital as some countries are requiring that expat insurers have local insurance partnerships, insurance company service and support. This is crucial for prompt claims processing, policy understanding, and assistance during emergencies. Efficient service ensures policyholders receive timely help, fostering trust and satisfaction. Many of our global benefit partners will assign a dedicated administration and client service advisor. Contact Expat Financial via phone, email, or via our website to discuss your unique global insurance needs. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more informative content.